Not opening these. Don't mind the coughing in the background. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Cajun butter. I'm sorry, I have him doing the seasoning for the beef.
But the thing is, he's doing it one by one to have a specific order.
Yeah, I mean, that's good. We're gonna shake it up anyway and mix it.
Yeah, I know, I have him grinding salt and pepper. I'm the worst.
The cool things that you bring us is extraordinary. I always get fascinated by the shit you bring us.
Now, tell Ines you want her here.
I want you here. Bring your titties.
Oh my god.
I don't ever see stuff like this, so I never think they ever get shit like this. So when you bring it, it's like, I don't want to fuck it up.
I just did the steaks. The unsalted one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The meat's over here. It's done.
The steaks ready to go inside.
Mia! Take the steaks! I want mainly the butter to cook it, so I like peel them a little bit from the shell so they loosen up, so that the butter heats up and cooks it on the bottom for the most part, or the top. They should be fine with that amount of heat because the shell is kind of like protecting it.
Grab a piece and all that jazz.
Are you making a lobster right now?
Yeah. Just finishing the meat.
I'll watch this real quick. Put this bad boy in there.
Welcome back, Shell. I really do appreciate your videos. I actually go back and look at them. I'm like, damn, I'm dumb. We are dumb.
Grab it.
Mm.
Dude, like,
No. I respect you too much, Mia.
well, I'm gonna do it yourself.
I'm done for now. Let's go eat.
Go eat like a fucking happy family.
Why would we beef jerky was actually fucking amazing?
Fuck! The light's dead. Alright, well, I guess we'll do whenever you over here.
Why did you do the meat over there?
I guess we only need that much.
Hurry up and try one. Just grab one.
Which one's the good one?
All of them. You know how to eat it?
No.
You kind of like pull this out, and then you just bite it. You just rip it out. So. Oh, look.
Oh, there we go. Hell yeah. How was it?
The best thing you've had, right?
Nope.
Is it up there?
It's good.
Oh, okay.
I feel like if I had more lime on that one,
Get more lime.
I would have liked it more.
Get more lime.
But like,
You want to try one? You can have a bite real quick if you want. I really like lobster. Me too.
if it wasn't for the deal,
We would not be having a lobster.
it was $40.
I know. I think this would be close to like 150.
Michelle likes it.
That's funny.
I'm going to grab a plate. You can grab whatever you want, you guys.
That was good.
Really care about it.
A Good Day to Die Hard. That's the one. Up until 2013. This is the last one.
I found you. Hi, welcome back to the United States. Oh my god.
Oh, hey, Shao.
I forgot the posters. I didn't know I was coming here.
You see, you might come after family stuff.
Well, I got...
See, that's why it's guilt.
Shut the fuck up. It is guilt. It is guilt. God damn it. I fucking love it. It's adorable. Oh my fucking god, what is this? It's candy? Hold on, I'm not smart enough for this. This package is too advanced for my American brain. No, I got this. Ain't no bitch. Let's go! So about that knife. Wait. God damn, am I good or what? I don't know why I smell this. It's all wrapped in plastic. Mmm, smells delicious. I'll start with this. Oh my god. I fucking love Hololive. Oh my god, this is my favorite fucking anime. And it had to be perfect. Let's go power. Oh, it's a hairband? Oh, that's awesome. Have an anime. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's custom? This is sick. What's your name? I don't know how to pronounce it.
Shout.
I know. I'm just messing around with you. I don't have to use straw chopsticks anymore. You saved me. Wait, this is sick. The world's most marbled beef platinum edition jerky, King Supreme protein marinated cooked strips of Wagyu beef jerky, 100% tender, 100% succulent. So this is a snack. Oh my god. Tuesday. I fucking love Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I love it. You gave me a cat toy. I gotta switch hands, I was getting tired. It's like CPR. Live. Wait, is this door not even closed all the way? I give up. We're friends, right?
I don't know. Apparently we didn't say any lobsters, so...
We would be friends no matter what I do, right? This is a peak accomplishment. School is nothing compared to this.
Okay. Well, technically it's not much of an accomplishment.
It doesn't work very well, but it's funny as hell. Here, let me fix it for you.